This is the Song Activity Factory. Get ready.
In this video, you'll see how to use the song Snowman by Sia in a fun ELT lesson plan. In this lesson plan, students watch a vocabulary video, speculate on the music genre based on a word cloud, do a jigsaw viewing with the music video, work with an interactive worksheet, and much more. For detailed instructions, PDF, answers, and free downloadable materials, check the links in the video description.
Step 1. 5 minutes. Play Hangman about one phrase from the lyrics with an app made with learningapps.org. Learningapps.org is a great tool for learners and teachers who want to use or create a variety of different activities to practice a large range of skills.
Step 2. 3 minutes. Play the vocabulary video twice, or send the link to your students via chat box so they can watch it on their devices twice.
Step 3. 5 minutes. Screen share the word cloud, slide 1, with words from the song Snowman by Sia. Have students say if they can identify which song you are going to work with. Ask them to say what kind of song they think it is based on the words.
Step 4. 7 minutes. Jigsaw viewing. Divide the class into two groups, A and B. Group A stays in the main room with you to watch the music video. Group B goes to the breakout room and waits. Tell Group A to pay careful attention to the music video, because they are going to retell the story to the others.
Step 5. 12 minutes. Group B comes back to the main room. Now pair students from each group, student A plus student B, in breakout rooms. Student A retells the story from the video to student B, who types it on the notepad or Word doc. Give them a time limit of 10 minutes for the task.
Step 6. 10 minutes. Back to the main room, share the link to the collaborative Google Doc via chat box, with the designated spaces for the pairs to paste their texts. Tell students to read all the narratives. Highlight the mistakes, but do not correct them now. Assign the correction for homework.
Step 7. 5 minutes. Play the video again for everyone this time, or send the link for them to watch on their devices, so students in Group B can see the video too. Have some students compare their narratives to the music video. You can also have a vote on the most detailed one.
Share the link to the interactive worksheet. Students listen to the song and drag the lyrics to their correct place in the song.
Watch these videos for more awesome activities. Subscribe to this channel.
Thank you very much for watching.